Hey everyone, welcome back to AppTap. Today I am going to show you how to set up Facebook Pay step by step. It's quick, it's easy, so let's get started. I am inside the Facebook app right now. Once you are on the home screen, tap the three lines that will open the main menu. Now scroll down a little, look for settings and privacy and tap on it to expand the section. Next, tap on settings. Once you are inside settings, scroll down slowly. Here you will find the payment section. Under payments, tap on ads payments. This will take you to the Facebook pay setup screen. From here, tap on add payment methods. Now you can choose how you want to pay. You can connect your PayPal account or enter your credit or debit card details. Carefully enter your information, and once you are done, tap save, and that's it. Your Facebook page is now set up and ready to use for payments on Facebook. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.